Tabulancia. I'm live at 9 Dr. Toscana Street, Tugayan, Malabon. And I'm high school graduate. I have 4 brothers. Okay.
Okay lang. Nagtaon ka.
I'm 17 years old.
Wow. Tapos, ngayon saan ka nakatira? Yung ano mo height?
My height is 5'6" and I live at 9 Dr. Toscana Street, Tugatog, Malabon.
Okay.